Greetings once more. In today's video, we are going to do the following problem. We are given a difference of 2 cubed and is factorized to this. We know that from grade 10, when we factorize difference of 2 cubed, we first find the cube root of this, the cube root of the first term, which is x cubed. Then we're going to get x, then the cube root of y cubed, we get y. Then we know that from grade 10, when we factorize difference of 2 cubed, this sign is always the same as the first factor, the sign of the first factor. So to get the second factor, we say what can we multiply with x to get x cubed, which is x squared? What can we multiply with y to get y cubed is y squared? Then we know that the sign, if is difference of 2 cubed, is always positive. Then we know that this sign, if we are having difference of 2 cubed, is always the opposite of that one of the first factor. We know that to get the middle term of the second factor, we multiply this x with y. We multiply xy, we get a middle term. Then if we were to find the product, if we're given the right hand side, we need to find the product. And we know that this is going to give us difference of 2 cubed. Then we multiply the first term on our first factor with the first term on our second factor. Then we're going to get x cubed. Then the second term on our first factor with the last term on our second factor, we know that we're going to get negative y cubed. So they are saying, show that looking at this, we are given this deliberately so that we can use it to find the product of this one. If you can check this one, here we are having the right hand side of this equation. This is our x, then this is our y. Then this is our x squared. If we can check, if we can square 3, we get 9. This is our x squared. Then this is our y squared. If we can square 1 over root of 5, we get 1 over 5. If we can check, this is positive, then this sign is opposite of that one. Then the middle term, to get the middle term, we multiply x with y. We multiply 3 with 1 over root of 5. Meaning this, the product of this is going to be so meaning we cube our x. Here is our x is 3 cubed. Then our y is 1 over root of 5, 1 over root of 5 cubed. Or we can also do it this way. We can say, remember, to move from the right hand side to the left hand side, we multiply the first term in our first factor with the first term in our second factor. Then even here, if we multiply 3 with 9, we're going to get 27. And the second term, or the last term in our first factor with the last term in our second factor, y times y squared is y cubed. So here we're going to multiply this, the square root, the negative 1 over square root of 5 times 1 over 5. We are going to have and negative 1 times 1 is 1. Square root of 5 times 5 is 5 root of 5. This is the same as that. The easiest one is this one. Then this one, if we were to simplify it, we need to rationalize this. Or if I use my calculator, or if I rationalize, let's rationalize. Let's rationalize 1 over 5 root of 5 times rationalize is the same as multiplying by 1. So when we multiply by 1, we get this one times this one is 5 root of 5. Then 5 times 5 is 25. Root of 5 times root of 5 is 5. Then this will divide this. Then the answer is root of 5 divided by 25. So meaning this is the same as 27 minus 5 root of 5 over 25. Then we are trying to put it that way. The value of A is 27. Then this can be written as 1 over 25 times root of 5. If we can check the value of A is the value of A is 27. This is the value of A. The value of B is 5. And we were told that the value of A and B are an element of rational number. So A and B are the rational numbers. Great stuff.